All right, bruh. It's lightning time.
Hold up, guy.
What?
Good day, brother. Wait, just wait over there. I'll be right there. Take it easy, man.
You ready? We good?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
I'll wave that corner.
You're fine. I'll pass. That was close, huh? This shit's hard.
Up here.
It's scary.
Yeah.
Woo! Fucking terrifying, dude. No way I'm racing that. Oh my God. I don't know how to hit these. Is this the next downhill?
Yeah.
I think so. All right, I'll wait up here. Okay.
Washing out a little bit.
A lot.
It's got a rider coming through. Someone's chain. Yes,
Yeah. It's hard, man. I don't know how to take these. Are you supposed to take the berms like real fast with confidence, man?
Yeah.
Like that?
That's right.
It's terrifying.
What?
These berms are terrifying.
What happened to your chain?
That's not his.
Oh. Oh my God.
Lightning part 2. Fucking scary.
Yeah.
Left. That way?
Yeah.
Keep going.
This is Garrett's Gulch.
Garrett's Gulch, bro.
We're down.
Yeah.
This takes us to the lake.
This takes us to the pump track, to the chimneys,
Pump track.
to Cabin Road. So that takes you to the campground road, which you get Session Lightning, or you could go to Seven Bridges. So we got one, tough climb at the end of the chimney there.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
We sold some mushroom tea.
You want this?
We sold nitrous opium acid.
No, he gets it.
Yes.
All right. Screw.